Hi, I'm Craig with Datavideo. I'm here to introduce a brand new presentation prompter from Datavideo, specifically designed to be used with PTZ cameras. It's called the TP-900. Currently, I'm reading the script from the TP-900, but I'm also want to move around the set and still make eye contact with the prompter. I don't have an operator to move the camera around for me, so I accomplish my camera movements by using the Datavideo PTC-285 tracking camera. The camera is upside down on this PTZ lift. The lift allows me to get the camera lens as close as possible to the glass so that I have a wider range of movement of the camera without obstructed views of the frame of the prompter. To learn more about the Datavideo TP-900 as well as our tracking PTZ cameras, check out the links in the description below. Thanks for watching.